What's going on, everybody? It's Raven Wolf CPO here with an unboxing of an air horn slash PA system that I had just received in the mail from STL Lights. Now, this is the first unboxing that I've ever done for YouTube or in general recording a video of it. So here's the box. STL Lights. And this is for my patrol unit, my security and community patrol vehicle, which is also, that vehicle doesn't have a horn in it when I purchased it. I didn't find that out until, I don't know, a couple days after I purchased it, when some idiot cut me off and slammed on his brakes for no reason, trying to road rage with me on the Autobahn, or excuse me, the highway, the freeway. I tend to say Autobahn a lot, but I realize this isn't Germany, this is the United States, yada yada. Autobahn simply is just a German word for highway or freeway. I say Autobahn, but that's neither here nor there. My car doesn't have a horn, and I figured, well, since I do security, I use this vehicle as a patrol unit, it has the lights on, and I'm going to get it marked, why not get an air horn? So we're going to start with the unboxing of this product. I'm going to shut my mouth, get straight to it. Oh, I hate these damn things. I'm going to get all over the place. Oh, there's a shit ton of It's alright. I'll get a plastic bag and throw them in there. I'll do that later. Little fatherfuckers. Is that what I think it is? It is what I think it is. Speedtech lights. This is awesome. See, I've watched a couple of videos on YouTube reviewing the reviewers who reviewed the Speedtech products, and they're all happy with their products. You know, I was looking at some of their light bars, their air horns, their traffic advisors, etc. And what Speedtech Lights tends to do is send a complimentary flashlight in the mail with any purchase. So this comes in handy because I do use flashlights a lot. I have a Bushnell 2000 lumen flashlight over there charging. I have this magnetic flashlight over here. I have two of these, giving the other one to my patrol partner, and I have like 4 more flashlights laying around the house, but flashlights always come in handy. I'm going to put this off to the side. Got Speedtech sticker. That's just my billing information. Yeah, I don't need to see that. Assuming this is the unit itself. Yeah, this, let me get this box out of the way. Packing peanuts. Nah. This must be the control box. Comes with the cables, that would hook up to the unit, from the unit to the battery, and if I'm not mistaken, to the speaker as well. I've never purchased this before, so I don't know. I've never had to install one of these. Some of the stuff that I'm looking at, I have no idea what it is, like these, but it's a learning process. Not everyone knows everything. One of my brothers is a mechanic. I'm going to take this over to him. He is going to show me how to install it. That way, in the future reference, whenever I get more patrol vehicles to outfit them with equipment, I can have the skills and the knowledge to install it myself. This is the mic for the PA. And this is the control box. That's what it looks like. It's your volume control here. Turn up to amplify the sound that the horn makes, or the siren if you order the siren. But as you can see, this is not a siren box. It's just an air horn and a PA system. As I am a security and community patrol officer, I have zero need for a siren, and it is also illegal where I live for security officers to have sirens mounted in their vehicles. The instruction manual is in my email. A close-up look of this. So this goes into here like this and screws in, and this clips on the back of something. I think I have a clip in here. Yep, I do. The other thing is trying to figure out where in the vehicle to mount everything, because my vehicle is a 2006 Honda Odyssey minivan, and the dashboard is just cluttered with a lot of instruments, and there's not very many places that I can put things. So I'll figure that out when I go to my brother's later on today. Now, this heavy sumbitch is the speaker, which I didn't realize how heavy this sumbitch is. This is the speaker in which the sound would be coming out of. And it's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. But that's pretty much all. That's everything that I ordered. This is the wires that it came with. This should be long enough to connect everything together. So, yeah. Also, when mounting this, I have to figure out where to mount this in my vehicle, because not many security agencies, at least that I've seen, use Honda Odysseys as patrol units. Although I was watching last night on Wicked, what's the name of their channel? Wicked something or other. I forget the name. Wicked Warnings. That's their YouTube channel. Wicked Warnings. The gentleman that owns that business outfitted a Chrysler Pacifica minivan, a Ford Transit, and if I'm not mistaken, a Dodge Caravan or Grand Caravan, whichever one. Either way, he's done like 3 to 4 different minivans, Nissan minivans, etc. So this stuff can be outfitted in a minivan. You just got to figure out where you're going to put it. And that's what I'm going to be tasked with after this video. And with that being said, this is Ravenwolf CPO, and I'll catch you in the next video.